Hey guys, Lev here from Agilite. Today I'm going to show you how to take a nasty, disgusting, smelly plate carrier like the one I've been wearing in Gaza and clean it and do it right so that you're not going to light up like a beacon and get shot and killed by a sniper. Step one is you need a nasty, smelly plate carrier, all right? This beauty right here has been serving me well. Plate carriers are kind of like feet, you know? Some people like them clean, some people like them smelly. Everyone likes posting pictures of them on the internet, but some people have been complaining, some of my friends, my loved ones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give this guy a scrub and show you how to do it the right way. Super important to stick around so you don't damage your plate carrier or get shot in the head. Step one is gonna be taking everything out of your plate carrier so that you can get down to just the stuff you need for cleaning it. Tourniquet out, lighter, bicycle multi-tool, another lighter, letter to my wife. This isn't something professional. I like basically sewed this out of like scrap material in an old broken sewing machine I found on a base. It's a Polaroid of my wife and my dog. Wife is the one on the left, dog's the one on the right. 1, 2. Israeli bandage, batteries, heavy duty sewing kit. All right, down here, got another tourniquet, and obviously I got another one on the belt. Never have enough tourniquets. I swear I'll clean up. I'm sorry, guys. Thank you for your service. If you were at home, you could put this in your bathtub, clean it in there, give it a scrub, make sure your wife doesn't catch you. I'm gonna simulate a bathtub. Now, how do you simulate a bathtub? Well, let's find out. So basically the important thing is that you're just gonna wanna soak this a bit, maybe some hot soapy water, and that's gonna really release a lot of the crud and then let you start kind of scrubbing it. Now you don't wanna scrub it with something too hardcore. I'm gonna use just a regular little brush, like what kind you clean your weapon with. Don't use a wire brush. You'll destroy everything, you'll tear out all your stitches and you'll ruin your life. So here we go, right in. Now, oh yeah, oh that's nice. Let's talk about soap. This is Universal Military Dish Soap. Now this is nice because it's just a basic detergent. This is what you want. You could use a clothing detergent that's basic, unscented. So just dump a bunch in there like that. And now I'm gonna work this. All right, so now you can really start just soaping it up. This water is already a nice color, probably a nice flavor too. This is the brush I'm gonna be using. Classic brush, kind of like a toothbrush. Probably shouldn't put that in my mouth. Now, there's some areas that get really nasty, right? So one area is right here in the front. It's kind of hard to see that it was nasty just a second ago, but basically this is where your like beard oils get all up in there. So if there's an area like that, you can just scrub it a bit, like so. Some of that nice soapy water. You know, sometimes mesh gets a little bit clogged doing its job. At the end of the day, I just want it to not smell disgusting. Now, don't worry about soaking this. Don't worry about it absorbing any water or anything. The foam in the K0 and the K19 is all closed cell foam, so it's not going to absorb anything. We had a clear requirement from our SF units that they had to have really good foam in here. It's going to give you some great support. It's going to really be comfortable, and it's not going to absorb any liquids you don't want it to absorb. You know what I mean? You might say, oh, you're spending so much time scrubbing your plate carrier. Oh, just throw it in the water. Who cares? Just hose it off, pressure wash it, whatever, right? You know why I'm spending so much time? Because I love this plate carrier. Not just because I designed it. Because I wore this goddamn motherfucker for 4 months straight right now, every day, and I fucking love it. The important thing now is to do some good rinsing, right? Because otherwise you're going to let this dry out and you're going to be covered in soapy residue. You don't want that. That could irritate your skin. First thing we're going to do, obviously, is make a huge mess on the floor. Toss me a K0. Use the force. There we go. I'm probably going to do like, I don't know, 2 or 3 cycles with the water until it gets clean, basically. Ah, fuck! God damn it. You know, water is this jacket's weakness, this pullover, because it's actually fire resistant. Should have got a water resistant one. Or a dumbass resistant one. This seems like the proper thing to do now, is just to hold it for a bit. Pro tip, carry your synthetic simulated bathtub with you so that you don't drip all over the floor. You can water the plants with this while it's still dripping. Plate carrier jealousy is a real thing, so you definitely don't want to put this anywhere where there's any risk of it getting pilfered, borrowed, straight up nabbed. So just gonna lay it out on the table like that. You're good to go. I'll open up the quick release so they can really spread out. Spread this beauty out just like that. And there we go. We'll come back tomorrow, see if it's dry. All right, guys, it's been about a day. It's been out in the sun for a bit. It's now completely dry, and I can just throw the plates back in, set it up again, and I'm ready for another round. That's it. Good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Wish we had a wet floor sign. That'd be hilarious. The fucking door.